Let's be honest, mountain climbers can look a little awkward. It's kind of like a caffeinated squirrel trying to escape a cardboard box. But trust me, if you're short on time, they can be a time-efficient exercise to hit your core and cardio with one move. So on today's episode of Living TV, I'm showing you the correct way to do mountain climbers with proper form without looking like a flailing rodent, plus 21 variations and a 30-day challenge that anyone can participate in at home. And to be respectful of your time, I've included timestamps to each section in the description below. Mountain climbers, also known as the mountain climber plank, is a cardio strength hybrid exercise, meaning you get two workouts in one. Plus, no equipment is needed, so you can do them anywhere, your living room, the park, even on the moon, if you're feeling adventurous. It's one of the reasons why they are programmed in many of our Live Lean workouts. Adding mountain climbers to your training will also help improve your cardiovascular health so you can finally outrun your kids. It'll help you fire up your metabolism so you can burn more calories while watching Netflix. It'll help give you the muscular endurance of a marathon runner. And it'll help build functional strength so you can finally carry all the groceries in one trip. You feel me, right? Mountain climbers aren't just about cardio. When performed properly, it's a full body sculpting machine. So let's break it down to see the muscles worked. First, the VIPs, your core. We're talking the rectus abdominis, aka your six-pack or your soon-to-be six-pack, and obliques, the muscles that give you those sexy sidelines. These guys are working overtime to stabilize you. Then we've got the supporting cast, the shoulders and triceps. These muscles are working to get stronger to hold you up in the plank position. And finally, the often forgotten muscles, the legs. The quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your calves get in on the action. They're powering those leg movements, making you look like you're running up a mountain. So yeah, mountain climbers are a full body workout disguised as a cardio move. Now for the most important part, here's how to actually do a mountain climber without looking like a baby giraffe on roller skates. Remember, like any exercise, form is key for the fastest results without injury. So here's how to properly do mountain climbers with correct form. Get into a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels with no sagging at the hips. To do this, think core engaged, glutes contracted, quadriceps flexed. To begin the movement, lift your foot off the ground as you drive one knee towards your chest. Then switch legs by extending your leg back to the floor while bringing your other knee towards your chest as if you're running up a mountain. Then keep alternating legs. So start slow, get the form down, then crank up the speed as you get comfortable. And don't forget to breathe, unless you want to turn purple halfway through. Common mountain climber mistakes to avoid. Keep your back straight to maintain a neutral spine while avoiding sagging hips or hips hiked in the air. Keep your shoulders directly over your wrists to protect your joints and prevent strain. Engage your core by pulling your belly button in and up to stabilize your body and protect your lower back. That's how you master the mountain climber form. All right, before I share the 4 tips to target your lower abs, smash that like button to give a high five to our amazing online training clients, Colleen, David, and Melissa. So these rock stars are crushing it with the Build-A-Butt, Mass 2.0, and Formula X programs. Now, if you're still spinning your wheels in the gym, getting more frustrated than a cat in a bath, and not seeing results after a few weeks, it's time to fix that. In the pinned comment, click the link and get instant access to our done-for-you programs that will actually deliver the goods. And drop a comment with your thoughts on mountain climbers. Do you love them? Hate them? Let me know in the comments and I'll personally respond because I care. And one last thing before we jump back into the episode, time's ticking, my friend. If you don't take action and start living lean with us today, how many more days are you willing to waste pretending to work out without results? The time is now. See you inside my training app for your next workout. Link below. If you're doing mountain climbers but you feel like your abs are on vacation, don't worry. Try these 4 activation tips that will have your lower abs screaming for mercy. Number 1, core activation. So before starting the first rep, activate your lower abs by pulling your belly button in and up as if you were zipping up a super tight pair of jeans. Now here's a leg movement hack. Instead of just bringing your knees to your chest, try driving them upwards towards your elbows, just like the straight arm knee to elbow plank. Number 3, maintain a neutral spine, no sagging. So good posture is key for lower ab engagement, so imagine you're balancing a glass of water on your lower back. And number 4, slow the pace. So rather than thinking it's a race, focus on muscle engagement by controlling the movement while focusing on keeping your lower abs pulled in and up. So follow these tips and your lower abs will be begging for mercy. So if you're feeling a little bored with regular mountain climbers, I've got you covered. Try these 14 mountain climbers variations and 7 mountain climber combos, starting with beginning variations, then moving up to more advanced. If you're a beginner, start with mountain climbers on knees, or the incline mountain climber on a bench. And then you can progress to the traditional mountain climber. If you have wrist issues, the dumbbell mountain climbers is a variation that's easier on your wrists. The agility ladder mountain climber, the slider mountain climber, the alpine mountain climber, the medicine ball mountain climber, the barbell mountain climber, straight arm Swiss ball mountain climber, the cross body mountain climber, diagonal mountain climbers, forearm plank mountain climber, the forearm cross body mountain climber, and one of the most difficult, the feet elevated TRX mountain climbers. If you're looking for mountain climber exercise combo variations, give the Spider-Man lunge to mountain climber a try. The push-up with mountain climber, the Spider-Man push-up to mountain climber, the jump squat to mountain climber, mountain climbers to hand walkouts, mountain climber to high knee sprint to forward jump combo, the slider mountain climber push-up, and the cross-body mountain climber to renegade row. So mountain climbers are great, but they're not for everyone. To find the perfect move for you, here are 5 mountain climber alternatives that are more accessible and just as effective. High knee taps. Stand tall, jog in place, and lift those knees to give your hands a high five. This gets your heart rate pumping and engages your core. The jump burpee push-up. This full body strength and cardio combo is like a fitness party and every muscle is invited. It incorporates a squat, push-up, and a jump into one move. Jumping jacks. It's like a time machine, back to elementary school gym class. This classic move is effective at getting your heart rate up while working your legs and arms. The straight arm plank jack. In a plank position, jump your feet in and out like a horizontal jumping jack. Your core and shoulders will thank you later. The straight arm knee to elbow plank. This is a core killer. From a plank, bring your knee towards the same side elbow. So mix and match these mountain climber alternatives to keep your workouts fresh and challenging. So if you're ready to take your mountain climber game to the next level, I've got a 30-day challenge that will sculpt your core, boost your cardio, and have you feeling like a mountain goat in no time. This challenge is perfect for beginners and can be done right at home, no fancy equipment needed. Here's the deal. Pick one of the mountain climber variations and commit to completing each rep with proper form. Complete the indicated number of sets and reps each day with 30-second rest breaks in between as shown on the screen. Since progressive overload is key to growth, the further into the challenge, the harder it gets. So by the end of this 30-day mountain climber challenge, you'll be amazed at how much stronger and fitter you feel. Let's go! Question of the day. Let me know in the comments. Do you love or hate mountain climbers? And what's your favorite mountain climber variation? And if you like this video, join the Live Lean Transformation 1 million mission by hitting the like button and subscribing. I'm back with new videos every week to help you get in shape, have fun, and look good doing it. And if you're still hungry for more, don't stop here. Go check out this video right here where I show you how to master the split squat to build quads of gods and a butt your woman will want to smack. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.